I suppose, to each their own. And once out of sight, but today I'll invite something new into my home. So darkness, darkness, come on in. I won't hide from you again. The unknown lives when lights go dim. So here we are, let's begin.
Clear.
Said traffic at the airport maintenance crew, clear of runway 826, actually started.
Reno Stead Airport, automated weather observation 152, Niner Zulu. Wind, calm, visibility more than 10. Sky condition, clear, below 12,000. Temperature, -6 Celsius. Dew point, -14 Celsius. Altimeter, 303. 8 inches of mercury.
The traffic, FreedomFox taxi in Alpha, Westfield 26. The traffic, FreedomFox taking runway 26 will be a right turnout northbound, said. The traffic, FreedomFox on a right crosswind for 26, departing northbound. traffic, FreedomFox final 26, landing long. Steady.
Alright guys, well that was obviously a little different style than what I normally do, but I've kind of been toying with the idea of doing a more simple thing, basically my POV flying around. So you guys will have to let me know what you thought in the comments below. What I will say though, and something I just thought of, is the fact that the GoPro, when it's sitting on your head, sits probably 4 or 5 inches above my actual eye line. So I realize when I'm looking left and right, I'm probably looking right at the wing root instead of actually where my eyes are as far as what the GoPro's seeing, as well as there's the Spark carry through tube that's probably just right in the way. So we'll have to see how that worked out. You guys will have to let me know what you think. And yeah, before I wrap this one up, I do want to give a huge shout out and thank you to my friends over at Squarespace for not only sponsoring this video, but for their continued support of this channel. And for those that don't know, Squarespace is basically the best way to build a website in this day and age. Zero experience necessary. Anyone can do it. Basically, you start with one of their award-winning templates. You drag and drop, click to change, tweak it on your own. Their user interface is, I'm telling you, super simple. So they make it to where anyone can go and build their own professional working and looking website. And they have features for literally everything. So whether you're trying to run an online store, insert a photo gallery, put links to your socials, or even have an online scheduling so your clients can schedule bookings with you, you can do all of that through Squarespace. So if you haven't yet, head over to squarespace.com for a free trial. And when you're ready to purchase, go to squarespace.com/Trent Palmer. That'll get you 10% off. Thank you again, Squarespace, for sponsoring this one, and you guys know the drill. Like this video if you do, subscribe if you haven't, come be my wingman. See you on the next one. Peace.